Alison, David Burston here. Look, I'm really excited to be able to catch up with you on the for the professional communication workshop on Sunday week on the second. Uh, it's going to be a really good day. We've had a good roll up. Um, so it's here at the Community Support Centre at 13 Donaldson Street. If you can make it by 8:15, that would be great. Uh, because we want to start 8:30 on the dot. We got a lot of material and activities that we cover, do a lot of interaction, so you learn by doing. Um, so it's important we get a good start. Um, Basically, during the day, we start off with the fear factors, how you overcome any fear factors, get them out of your system so you can start confidently. Then we look at how to put a presentation together in 10 minutes. We just give you the tools that you can quickly put up uh, either a response, like in a meeting, or put a speech together. So you're not sweating, and making a big deal out of putting the presentation together. How to get the structure in there quickly and making it memorable so it really sticks. The next thing we do is connecting with the audience. If you don't connect with the audience, you're wasting your time, you're wasting their time. So we do a number of exercises that really helps you strengthen your connection with your audience. Next, we look at humour. Humour is mechanical. You can unfold humour from your material. There's always humour underneath the surface. So we do a couple of exercises there and we have a play with that, just so you get comfortable in how you can extract humour out of the material, because humour is something that really connects with audiences. And then we go on to impromptu speaking, how to be confident if you've got to get up in a public meeting or at an interview or a job interview, a press interview, how to really have your composure and confidence so you can do that easily. Throughout the day, we use plenty of humour just because it de-stresses everything. We have a good time. You learn quicker with humour. So we always try to inject humour along the way. And also, as I'm delivering the workshop with the Toastmasters from Innisfail, I'll explain why we do things the way we do it. So if you have to run a workshop, there's a number of things that you can do that really increases the connectivity between you as a trainer and your participants. So we unfold that as we go so you understand it. We've still got a couple of places left, so if you've got any friends that would benefit from this, reach out to them, get them to come along. There's going to be lots of personal coaching with the Toastmasters there, and it'll be a great day, and I can guarantee you'll get great value out of it. So I really look forward to catching up with you, Alison, on Sunday week, and having a very interesting day. So I'll see you then.